Guys, are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you guys want socks on? It's cold down here.
No.
What day is it, guys?
Christmas.
Oh.
Downstairs, do you?
What time is it? Wait.
7:30 and I'm still tired.
Nathan, you haven't figured it out yet?
I'm still
Hey.
tired.
7:30?
Oh,
Wait, what you doing? Oh yeah, I forgot. That was Dad's. This
Wow.
What?
Merry Christmas, guys. Wait, I need a hug first.
Name? There's no name. This one's
Wait,
wrong.
Max, look at the tag.
It says no name.
Nathan, you look excited.
Oh.
Merry Christmas.
Stocking.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, that's my stocking. Quincy. No, that's for you.
Wait, stop. We gotta do stockings first,
Where's
right?
my stocking?
Max, it's right in front of you, isn't it?
No.
Oh, that's Quincy's. Here.
It's 5 o'clock.
Nuts.
5:30.
Yeah, well, it might as well be 5. See, it's still dark out.